This is Roblox Driver Empire, but if I crash, my car changes, alright? So vehicle collision's on, everything is on. Okay. No! Okay, well, time to change. So we were in the 2018 Apollo, now we're in the 2013 Audi A4. Alright. Well, it's not as nice. It doesn't go as fast. But you know what? That's okay. You know what? Yeah, let's do this also. Oh! Of course, alright, whatever. Vehicle collision's on, yeah. Oh, 2024 Audi A6 now, alright. I love the A6. There's a few of my cars that have drift fields on, but like, whatever. Alright, so next one is the 1996 Audi RS2. Almost crashed already, alright. But luckily didn't. Almost crashed already again. Bruh. Alright, whatever. 2023 Audi Q3. It actually looks good in this pink or purple. I don't know what color it is. Are you serious, guys? Are you serious, fam? 2011 Audi R8. I was going for the ramp. Guys, let's do the ramp just real fast. My power was out for around 14 hours. It went out around 1 a.m. last night. It was crazy, but yeah, it's alright. 2023 Audi R8 GT, newer version. So yeah, and this gray. It's actually YouTuber spec. That didn't count. I was distracted, okay? Whoop, okay. 2023 Audi RS3. And this baby blue is very nice. Shee! That doesn't count. So like, how's your day been? And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. Because you already know, yeah, you need to for more awesome videos. Alright. Alright. Ah! Brake! Well, I didn't crash. That's actually surprising. Okay. top speed is 280. I've never driven this car. I've just put a color on it and stuff. Oh nah, let's go on the road on the racetrack. One up on the racetrack, alright. Alright. So 2001 Audi RS4. Let's see, we're going to try and leave. Okay, fine. 2024 Audi RS6. No, actually, let's leave. Over 300 miles per hour. This is a fast car. Of course, guys. Alright, whatever. 2021 Audi RS7. Okay. Alright, crashed, alright. Whatever. I'm tired of all these Audis. We're gonna skip out of the Audis. So, 2020 Bentley. Hey, we didn't crash. We just went through the doors. The doors were opened. So, like, that doesn't count. And we crashed into that pole. Alright, whatever. 2018 Bentley GT3. Wow, this is a masterpiece. Next video, y'all see in tomorrow. I'm gonna have more money, but yeah. Then the end of this video, but whatever. If I crash, we move on to the next car. But you know, I'm not crashing this fire thing. I will never. Well, spun out trying to brake. Fine, whatever. 2017 Bentley in dark green. Not my favorite. Alright. I will never crash this Bentley. .3 Bentley. I will never crash this Bentley. Guys, let's do something real fast. Sell. I don't like cars that have the sell button beside them. I just have the urge to sell them, so yeah. Alright. Well, that will be the end of this video. See you all next time. Peace. Goodbye.